Welcome to DriveSphere, the place where future machines meet real power. Today, we are stepping into the world of extreme engineering and unstoppable strength as we explore the 2026 Caterpillar D10 Heavy Bulldozer, a machine designed to redefine what heavy-duty performance truly means. The 2026 Caterpillar D10 is not just a bulldozer, it is a symbol of authority on any job site. From the very first glance, its massive stance commands respect. Built to dominate the toughest environments, this new generation D10 carries forward Caterpillar's legendary DNA while introducing modern design, smarter technology, and unmatched durability. Every surface, every curve, and every component is engineered with one purpose in mind: maximum productivity under extreme conditions. At the front, the reinforced steel blade instantly grabs attention. Wider, stronger, and more precisely engineered, this blade is built to move mountains, literally. Whether it is mining, large-scale earthmoving, or heavy construction, the 2026 D10 blade offers superior load control and precision. Caterpillar has improved the blade geometry to allow smoother material flow, reducing resistance and increasing efficiency with every push. This means faster cycles, lower fuel consumption, and higher output across long working hours. Powering this beast is a next-generation high-performance engine developed to meet modern efficiency standards without sacrificing raw strength. The 2026 Caterpillar D10 delivers immense torque, allowing it to push heavy loads across rough terrain with ease. Advanced engine management systems optimize power delivery in real time, adjusting performance based on workload and surface conditions. This intelligent power control not only boosts productivity, but also extends engine life and reduces operating costs. One of the most impressive features of the 2026 D10 is its advanced track system. Designed for maximum traction and stability, the heavy-duty tracks provide exceptional grip even on loose soil, mud, or rocky surfaces. Caterpillar has refined the suspension and undercarriage to reduce vibration and wear, ensuring smoother operation and longer service intervals. This is especially important for operators who spend long shifts inside the machine, where comfort directly impacts performance. Step inside the cabin and you immediately notice that this is not a traditional bulldozer interior. The 2026 Caterpillar D10 offers a modern, operator-focused cockpit designed for comfort, control, and visibility. The cabin is fully enclosed, reinforced for safety, and acoustically optimized to reduce noise and vibration. Large, panoramic windows provide excellent visibility of the blade and surrounding area, improving precision and safety during operation. The dashboard is fully digital, featuring high-resolution displays that deliver real-time machine data, performance metrics, and system diagnostics. Operators can monitor fuel efficiency, engine load, terrain conditions, and maintenance alerts at a glance. The intuitive interface ensures that even complex information is easy to understand, allowing operators to focus on the task rather than the controls. Control joysticks are ergonomically designed for precise handling and minimal fatigue. Every movement feels natural and responsive, giving the operator complete command over the machine. Adjustable seating with advanced suspension technology ensures comfort during long working hours, while climate control maintains an ideal cabin environment regardless of external conditions. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Caterpillar D10. Integrated smart systems assist with grading accuracy, load management, and operational efficiency. These features reduce operator error and help achieve consistent results, especially on large-scale projects. With optional connectivity solutions, fleet managers can remotely monitor machine performance, track usage, and plan maintenance more effectively. Durability has always been a hallmark of Caterpillar machines, and the 2026 D10 takes it to a level above. High-strength steel, reinforced joints, and premium components ensure that this bulldozer can withstand extreme stress and harsh working environments. From scorching heat to freezing cold, the D10 is built to perform without compromise. Maintenance has also been simplified. Easy access service points, advanced diagnostics, and modular components reduce downtime and make routine servicing faster and more efficient. This means more time on the job and less time in the workshop, a critical factor for large operations where every minute counts. Visually, the 2026 D10 looks as powerful as it performs. Its bold design, aggressive lines, and modern lighting give it a futuristic, yet unmistakable Caterpillar identity. This is a machine that looks ready for the future, standing as a testament to decades of engineering excellence and continuous innovation. In real-world applications, the 2026 D10 proves why it is considered one of the most capable bulldozers ever built. Whether it is pushing massive loads, leveling large areas, or working in challenging mining environments, it delivers consistent results with confidence and control. It is a machine designed not just to work hard, but to work smart. As industries demand higher efficiency, lower emissions, and smarter machines, Caterpillar has answered with a bulldozer that balances power, technology, and reliability. The 2026 Caterpillar D10 is not simply an upgrade, it is a complete evolution of heavy machinery. That brings us to the end of today's deep dive into the 2026 Caterpillar D10 Heavy Bulldozer. If you enjoyed this detailed look at one of the most powerful machines on the planet, make sure to support Drives Fair by liking the video, sharing it with fellow machinery enthusiasts, and subscribing for more future-focused automotive and heavy equipment content. Stay tuned, because at Drives Fair, we bring you the machines that shape the world.